Hello friends, are you still clicking around in Excel, wasting valuable time? And what if I told you there's a way to work 5 times faster in Microsoft Excel? Welcome to Solomon channel. In this video, I will show you 25 game-changing Excel shortcuts that will make you a power user in no time. By the end of this video, you will be able to navigate spreadsheet like a pro, enter and edit data in seconds, format cells instantly, and boost your efficiency to the next level. Stick around to the end because I have a bonus shortcut that will blow your mind. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our future uploads on this Excel shortcuts series. Now let's dive into the video. Alright, first let's start with the navigation shortcuts. This shortcut will help you move around your spreadsheet quickly without using your mouse. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number one is your tab button. When you press the tab, it moves one cell to the right. You press it again, it moves one cell to the right. Press it again, it moves one cell to the right. Alternatively, you can also use your forward arrow button on your keyboard to move one step to the right. Stop shortcut number two is to move backward or to move to the left, and to do that, when you press shift plus your tab button, it moves it to the left. Holding your shift and press the tab button will automatically move your cell to the left, the active cell. Alternatively, you can also use your backward that is shortcut number two. Moving ahead to number three shortcut, as in this video, is to move to the last used cell in your data set, and to do that, you press Ctrl End. That takes you to the last used cell in your data set. Here, this is the last used cell as regards to this data set. Some might say, how am I sure this is the last used cell? Let's head over to this sheet and then come over to this and press Ctrl End. It takes us also to a last used cell. When you look at this as well, when we come to this sheet, we press Ctrl End as well. It takes us to the last used cell. And that is for shortcut number three. Number four is to move to the first cell in Microsoft Excel, and to do that, you press Ctrl Home. It takes you to A1, which is the first cell in Microsoft Excel, and that is for the business of navigation as regards to this Excel shortcut tutorial. All right, now here in the data entry shortcut, we will be making use of this data set, and of course, data entry can be a pain in the ass, but with these shortcuts, you will fill up your spreadsheet in record time. Let's quickly delve into it. Now, for example, you are entering some words, and here you want to continue with marketing. The person here is the same marketing you want to. Instead of coming here to say Ctrl C, copy and paste it here, or you type it yourself, you just come here and press Ctrl D. It will automatically copy the content down instantly. That's to copy whatsoever that is on top it down to this. You use this when you want to repeat what is on top the cell. If you want to repeat it quickly, you make use of Ctrl D, and that is that. Now moving forward is to copy right or to copy horizontally, and that is, for example, you want to repeat whatever that is here to this cell, you can press Ctrl R. That is the shortcut number 6, which is to autofill right. This is to autofill down, and this is to autofill right or into copy horizontally, and that is shortcut number 6. Let's move over to the next shortcut, which is shortcut number 7. And to do that, let's say, for example, we want to insert the current date of this transaction or of this record, whatever. We can come here and press Ctrl semicolon. Once you press Ctrl semicolon, you insert the current date in as regards to your data, as regards to the time you are working with. It serves the current date. Now let's say, for example, we also want to know the current time, and that will take us over to the shortcut number 8, which is to insert the current time. And to do that, you press Ctrl Hold Shift and then press your semicolon, and that will automatically be that you insert the current time in your data set. And then next is the shortcut number 9. And let's say, for example, here I want everything here to be already into the bold, and then the same time here also I want everything here to be bold. Instead of having copied that, I can just press F4 to repeat the same formatting. That is to repeat the last action. F4 will repeat the last action. If I put, let's say I make this place Let me say I make it red, and then I come over to this place as well and press F4 automatically to repeat the last action formatting to be applied on that instantly. And that can be a helping hand, it can come handy in your working with spreadsheets. And that's pretty cool, right? Let's format data faster than ever. Moving forward, it's formatting shortcuts. All right, and in this section of formatting shortcuts, of course, nobody likes all these spreadsheets. These shortcuts will make your Excel sheet look clean and professional. And to do that, to get us through formatting shortcuts, that will be to take us to the shortcut number 10, which is to make it bold, or to format, to make bold, to bold your text. And here, let's, for example, we want all of this to be bolded, and then we can select and press Ctrl B. And of course, automatically it applies bold. If we want it to be precise, we press Ctrl I, it italicises it, and we want it to be underlined, we can press Ctrl U to apply underline on it, just like in Microsoft Word, which is also handy in Microsoft Excel. That is the shortcut number 10, number 11, and number 12, which is bold, italicized, and underline. Now, moving forward, let's, for example, we want to open our format cell menu. Now we can get access to the numbers, percentage, currency, and menus. To do that quickly, you just have to press Ctrl 1. And once you press Ctrl 1, it opens the format cell. We can go to align, we can go to font, border, fill, and even the rotation of our sheet and workbook. That is the shortcut number 13 to open format cell menu. All right, heading over to shortcut number 14 is to apply currency formatting to our data set. For example, we have this as regards to prices which ought to be in currency. So instead of selecting this and head over to here, we can just select this, and then to do that we press Ctrl Shift $sign. I pressed the wrong one, Ctrl Z. Just hold Ctrl Shift, press the $sign, which is 4 on your button. That will be automatically formatted as regards to the currency format. Next is shortcut number 15 to format in percentage, to apply percentage format. This is discount in percent. We can also look at it and then highlight all, and also press Ctrl Shift 5, which will make it to convert it to percentage. That we apply the percentage formatting on your data set. Be careful to understand that if you are talking about 10%, this will have to Ctrl Z. If you want to apply 10%, then you will have to make this to be in 0.1. So as when you apply the percentage function, which is times 100, it will automatically be in 10%. All right, now that will take us to the shortcut number 16, auto adjust column. And to do that, let's take, for example, this column you are seeing here. This is discount percentage, but it's not fully in that particular cell, and we want it to automatically adjust to fit into that cell. We can hold our Alt HOI. That's Alt HOI. Automatically it will give it the auto fit. To press Alt HOI, we automatically give it auto fit. You can also apply that here, Alt HOI. That automatically gives it the auto fit, and that is for our basic formatting, shortcut keys in Microsoft Excel. Moving forward is to look at how we can copy and paste very fast in Microsoft Excel. All right, here in the copy, paste, and selection shortcut keys in Microsoft Excel, we will begin with one of the classic shortcuts that literally every Microsoft Office user should know or ought to have known by now, which is, for example, we want to copy this, and we just press Ctrl C. That is to copy. That's a classic shortcut literally every Office user knows. Then the next is shortcut number 18, which is to Ctrl X to cut. When you cut, that's Ctrl X, which you can also now to paste on this place. Let's say you cut this and you want to paste it here, you also press Ctrl V, and that is these are classic shortcuts, but still very powerful, still very helpful in work with data sets as regards to Excel. Now what cut does is to move this from here and here, whereas copy, we retain the value here and paste it. Also here you have the two values here. If we Ctrl Z and then Control C, and let's copy and paste here, Control V. That also return what is here to what is here. So that is the classic shortcuts, Control C, X, and V, and that is for the shortcut number 17, 18, and 19. Then moving forward to shortcut number 20, if you want to select the entire row. To select the entire row, just press your Shift and space. It selects the entire row. Instead of trying to highlight, you select the entire row. Another stuff here is to select, if you want to select the entire column, instead of taking your mouse to click here, anywhere you are, you can just say Control space. It highlights the entire row. It highlights the entire column. Shift space highlights the entire row. Control space highlights the entire column. And that is the shortcut number 21. Moving straight to shortcut number 22 to delete the selected rows. Let's say, for example, we press Shift space. We have selected the row, and to delete the selected row, we now can press Control minus. Like you can see, that is deleted. Of course, we can also press one of the most classic shortcuts, which is Control Z, to bring back our data. All right. The next is to insert a new row in Microsoft Excel. You are working and you want to quickly insert a new row. While selecting the entire row, you can just press Control Shift and your plus sign already insert a new row in your data set. All right, and that is our shortcut keys in copy pasting and then highlighting your cells. Over to the bonus tips, over to the bonus shortcut as regards to this video tutorial. The bonus shortcut is to press in anywhere in the data set, press Ctrl Q. Automatically it opens the quick analysis tool, where you can quickly insert chart, format, do some calculations. Here is formatting. You can apply some bars, you can put some color format, you can put some icon format. Let's say you want to insert some bars. Here is that also you can insert charts, where you can immediately exec and dictate some chart clusters, chart, start chart, all these aspects of chart. Also, you can also do some quick analysis, which is to get total sum. It will automatically give you a total sum for what you have. If you want average, it gives you the average result. If you want count, it gives you. If you want to percentage total, it gives you. And here is where to get a quick analysis with data as regards to your data set in there. How cool is this? You have just mastered 24 game-changing shortcuts that will make you 5 times faster in Excel. Which shortcut was your favorite? Comment below. In our next video, we are going to be learning the fastest ways to enter and edit data effectively in Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like if you find this video helpful. Subscribe for our future Excel tutorials and other tech tutorials in this channel. And also remember to share with your friends. Turn on the notification bell so you will never miss out on our future upload. Till then, keep practicing, keep applying these shortcuts. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.